Hey YouTubians, Dave here back with D&D's VW Workshop. Today what we got here is a friend of mine's motor. What we did was we started out with a real good bottom end engine and we went ahead and put MP pistons and barrels on, which is now 1641. The cylinder heads were actually in really good shape. The only thing I did to them is do a little bit of porting to them to get a little more power for his sandrail project that he's going into. You may notice that I don't have any of the cooling tins on. That's only because I'm only going to run it for a short amount of time, and I want to make sure that we're not getting any kind of compression escaping between the cylinders and the heads. Even though I use valve lapping compound for each cylinder and head, I want to make sure that nothing is leaking. So what we did was we're going to floor start it here on the ground. I got my own start box here, which has a basic ignition for power, push button start, and when you want to shut it off, hit the switch versus posing to yanking a wire off. So without further ado, yeah, let's start it up. Let's hear it run. This will be the engine's first start. That was success. Ran really good, got no issues, nothing is leaking, running just like it should. As of always, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.